Welcome to Hosco. Let's take a look at how you can source top talent directly from our Members Directory. Start by clicking on Members in the top menu. Looking for people who already applied to your jobs? Switch on the My Applicants toggle to find them easily. Looking instead to proactively headhunting candidates within Hosco's talent database? Our premium plans with access to the Member Directory database will allow you to do it. Start by clicking on Members in the top menu. Use the filters to narrow down your search, like location, languages, experience, or education. Then hit search. By default, you'll see candidates active anytime. Need a wider range? Use the last login filter to adjust. Want to focus only on active public job seekers? Use the Active Job Seekers Only filter to show candidates who are actively looking. To save time in the future, save your favorite searches. Just go to Search Settings, click Save this search, and give it a name. You can also tag candidates to organize them. Click Apply Tags, choose a label, and you're done. Click on any profile to get an overview, or tap View Full Profile to see the full resume. You can even download their CV in Hosco format, or the original one if available. Ready to reach out? Contact candidates directly on the platform from any profile view. Or, forward a profile to a colleague, just click forward and enter their email. And that's it! You're all set to find your next great hire.